Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create quiz with automatic grading in Google Forms. So first, you just need to open the Google Forms and then click on this plus to create a blank form. And in here, you need to enable the quiz mode first. So tap on the settings and then go to this make this quiz options and enable it. So toggle it on just like this. Now you can select your preferred question. So you can here release grades immediately after each submission or later after manual review. So for example, I'm going to go with immediately, and for respondent settings, you can allow them to see missed question and correct answers and the point values. You can choose in here, and you can also set the default question point value. For example, here I'm going to go with 4 points. And now you can just go back to the questions in here and add a title and description for your quiz. This one, for example, for the quiz, I'm going to just go English quiz 1. You can add descriptions if you want to, but you can also leave it blank. And then you can just here start the question. You can choose a questions type between multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down, or maybe short answer or paragraph or long answer. And you can just write the questions and provide the answer options if it is a multiple choice. You can after the adding the question, you can click on this answer key, and here you can select or choose the correct answer, and you can assign a point value for the question. For example, I'm going to go with 4, and you can also add feedback for correct or incorrect answer. You can also test your quiz. You can click on this eye icon at the top to preview the quiz, and you can submit the sample response to ensure everything works as expected. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.